Hey Kawaiinatics, it's Hannah here and welcome back to another video. Today I have another talking video which I haven't done this in a really long time. So I'm super excited to just sit down and talk to you guys. About 2 to 3 years ago, I posted one of my very first videos, which was a squishy collector's guide in the Philippines. Over the past years, squishies have grown so much here in the Philippines. If you guys noticed in my previous video, it was actually super duper hard to find squishies here in the Philippines, and the only squishies available were like brands that no one really wants to buy. The only way we could get squishies before was through online. But boom guys, today you can buy all sorts of types of squishies everywhere. It's in the malls, it's in the stores, and you can easily find it. So today we're going to be talking about the shops that sell squishies here in the Philippines. Without further ado, let's just get started. All the details, like all the places that I'm going to mention in this video are going to be listed down below. So yeah. So the first squishies I'm going to be talking about are common squishies. The first shop is Reginas. Reginas sells common squishies and it's found in Greenhills. Reginas is in this mall called Shoppsville. They sell different Kawaii things and different things from China, like rainbow loom, washi tape, notebooks, and different party things because it's really cheap. So you guys can go check that out. The next store that you guys can get squishies from is in Divisoria. In Divisoria, there are stores like Sakura, which sells squishies, common squishies, and there are also other stores that sell common squishies if you look around. I just didn't get the name of each one, but I do know that Sakura is a store in Divisoria that sells squishies. The next place where you can get common squishies is in Tickles. Tickles is sort of a stuffed toy kind of shop in Trinoma, Yiippee Town Center, Glorietta, Megamall, and North Edsa, and probably more. You guys can just search where their store locations are. But yeah, their stores have common squishies. The fourth place you can get squishies is in Happy Box, which is a store in Eastwood, the old mall in Eastwood. They sell different things like toys, cards, notebooks, and stuff like that. Lastly, you can get common squishies in Bazaars. Bazaars, well, I don't really have a specific location for the Bazaars, but if you happen to be in a mall and you see people selling in a bazaar type of setup, then you guys can go check them out because they probably have common squishies. I saw one once in Ayala 30th. Yeah. Now let's move on to licensed squishies. You can get licensed squishies in any Toy Kingdom or Toysurus branch in the Philippines, which is usually found in all the malls. The brands of the squishies are Soft and Slow and Squishy Delish, and most of them are surprise packages. And the really small squishies, I'm not really sure how to describe them, but you guys can search them out. So now moving on to the branded / high-end squishies. Alright, so my friend Kawaiisquishies.ph, her Instagram name is here. She has a lot of branded and licensed squishies that she sells in different places. For one, there's one in Greenhills. You guys can check her Instagram to get the full address. The last place that you can get branded high-end squishies is from my favorite store, Yiippee. Yiippee is like babe, and Yiippee is in Ayala 30th. Yiippee sells high-class squishies like iBloom, Creamy Candy, Punimaru squishies. So you guys should go check them out. So for more details, go and watch my vlog. The link will be down below on their store. And I love Yiippee. Yiippee's amazing. So you guys can also buy squishies with local Filipino online sellers. You can buy it from my shop, guys. It's a shameless plug, but I actually sell squishies at kawaiishop.mnl on Instagram. I have a lot of squishies that were pre-loved, but I never opened them. And they were in my collection, but now I just want to sell them, so a lot of it might be rare or licensed because I bought them from Hong Kong. The next shop that I recommend is Mimi_squishy.ph. She is from Baguio, but she does ship all over the Philippines, and I really like her. I met her once, so yes, buy from Ate Mimi. The next person I recommend is Kawaii Squishy587. She's probably been in the squishy industry the longest among all of us, and her shop is legit. So I used to buy from her when I was a beginning squishy collector. Lastly, for the shops that I recommend, you guys probably already know her, Jellyberry shop, which is Uni-chan's Instagram shop. She does sell squishies as well. I have never bought from her, but she is my friend, so I know that she's trustworthy and she's legitimate. Aside from the Instagram sellers, if you want to buy online, you can buy squishies on Lazada.com and Shoppee PH, which will all be down below. That's all the shops that I know of, but if you guys know any more Instagram sellers or shops in the Philippines that sells squishies, then go and comment down below to help everyone be able to find squishies. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys give it a thumbs up, comment a heart if you've reached this part, so I know that you guys are the true MVPs, the true Kawaiinatics. I'm just joking. Okay, anyway, as always, may you guys have a kawaii day. Bye! Yeah. Alright, so we done.